PerPayment is an nation-building AI-driven sales partnership platform offering up to rupees 50,000 per conversion to sales partners, which aims to create socio-economic impact by enhancing financial, employment and credibility ecosystem at country level. The platform offers an ads trading features with real-time income analytics, providing an alternative investment options to traditional assets like cryptocurrency, stock, gold and real estate. PerPayment integrated with 4 technology platforms that are FinTech, HRTech, information ratings and sales partnership. Now in this video, we will understand the customer data monetization DSA agent account. So let's begin with first click on customer data monetization and click on create DSA agent account. You will get the sign up page where you can sign up with Google or you can enter the email ID and the password. So this is for demo purpose. So I am putting the dummy ID, that is r02 at gmail.com. Put down the password, click on I'm not robot. You will get the captcha, re-verify them. Click on verify and sign up. Once you have received the screen, click again over here, login PerPayment account now. Enter the same credentials you have used for the login, r02 at gmail.com and the password. Click on login. Now this is going to be your dashboard where you can see your account type, your profile and your PerPayment account. On the left side you can see the certain categories that I'm going to explain you one by one. So first begin with dashboard product overview. To start with this, the DSA account can be used by company secretary, chartered accountant, lawyers, government consultant, corporate consultant or education consultant. Coming back to the product overview, that are PerPayment, Hachan, Findacle and American Ratings. The details of the product is given over here so you can have a look. The next category is income and setup. So click on view income analytics. Now this option helps you to get the total number of clicks, total number of registration and total number of paid registration with the commission that is earned by the campaign that you have run. You can also click on the drop down and select the specific product for which you have done the campaign. If you want to filter the date of a campaign, you can also select the date, the start date and the end. The next option is bank account and transaction. Here you have to enter your bank account details. Now this is required so that the commission that you have earned can get transferred in your bank account. So accordingly you have to enter the details over here. The third option is profile and setting. Set up your profile with your company name, phone number, address, city, whatever the credential is required over here with your social media profile. The third category stands with direct selling agent or DSA, where you are getting 4 options that are QR postcard, email, WhatsApp and SMS. To understand one by one, let's go into this. So click on ready, templates, QR postcard. You can click to view postcard. This is how your customer will receive the postcard. You have to download the QR postcard and share it with your customers. The same is applicable for Haya Khan Gold Membership, Fundacle, Haya Khan Certified CV with ARS number and per payment. The second is ready template, that was for email. Now you can click here to view the sample email format. Now this is a pre-designed email that you just have to copy and share it with your client. You just have to download the sample email PDF file and share it with your customer. The same ready-made format is available for Haya Khan Gold Member, Haya Khan Certified CV, Fundacle Investor Profile and the per payment. The third category stands with WhatsApp. Simply you have to click on copy WhatsApp message. You will get the pop-up. Click OK and share it with your customers. The same functionality have to do with Haya Khan Gold Membership, Haya Khan Certified CV, Fundacle Investor Profile and the per payment. The fourth option is SMS. You can view the SMS over here. For sharing basis, you have to copy the SMS, click OK and share it with your customers. The same you have to use it for Haya Khan Gold Membership, Haya Khan Certified CV, Fundacle Investor Profile and the per payment. That's all. Thank you.
Per Payment is an nation-building AI-driven sales partnership platform offering up to Rs 50,000 per conversion to sales partners, which aims to create socio-economic impact by enhancing financial, employment and credibility ecosystem at country level. The platform offers an ads trading features with real-time income analytics, providing an alternative investment options to traditional assets like cryptocurrency, stock, gold and real estate. Per Payment integrated with 4 technology platforms that are FinTech, HR Tech, Information Ratings and Sales Partnership.